Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today is learning UI/UX design, and today's learn our topics of UX research study plan template, and is a fifth part is required or derives participant pool as then the creating the UX research plan. You need to as a required participant and who is represent the peoples and who will actually use your the product, and this as the feedback is help to improve your the designs and make it more the useful and the accessible. And where can you as a find the participant? First is existing users, and if companies has already as a you as a customers participant and can be as a required as a from its as the current users base. And the advantage is easy to find and the relevant users, and the users are as familiar with as a similar products. And another is a online recruitment, as a participant can be found through as social medias and the online communities and the research platforms such as user testing and the user interviews. And the advantage is reach many peoples equally and access the derives participant, and the disadvantage is may as excludes the peoples without internet access, and some age groups may be the underrepresented. Third is a hallway testing, as ask the people as a nearby. For the example is cafes and the libraries, park, and to as a test your the design. And the advantage is the fast and inexpensive, and is useful for as reals feedbacks. And the disadvantage is the participant may not much your as a targeted users, and as insensitives for the participant, as in the insensitives encourage peoples to the participant in studies. And for the example is case payment and the gift card and free launch, or as refreshments and as a small gift, and as allow the thanks the participant for this the times and the feedback as give the developers. Who should the participant? As a choice the participant based on your the research goals and your the target audience and the derive cities of as a background and the experience. And the good usabilities is the study as typically include in 5 to 8 participant users. And as important of the diversities and the inclusions, representatives as a simple include as a targeted users and the people from as a different backgrounds, and the user how may be as marginalized or as underrepresented. And the example is a different age groups and the different technologies experience level, and as a different cultural backgrounds and the users of as accessible technologies. And including the derived participant is help to create the product that are as accessible and as equitable for as everyone's use. And avoid the asking about the disabilities is directly, as instead of as asking is do you have disabilities, and ask about the tools as a participant is used, as screen readers and the close the captions and the keyboard only navigations and the screen merging fears as a switch device and other accessible technologies. And this approach is more inclusive and as a respect of the privacy to the user. And as a screener surveys, is a set of the questions is used to the determine the whether someone is as suitable so for as a study. And example questions is how the often do you use the mobile app, and have you used the online shopping app as before, and what the device do you regular use, and do you use any assistive technologies. The screeners is help the ensure the participant is match studies requirements. And example of the participant is adult is who the regular as use the mobile application, and the participant is from the derives the backgrounds and the experience levels, and at last ones as a participant is whose is use the accessive technologies, and the participant will be as recruited online through as social medias communities and all the groups, and each the participant will as receive a small gift, and as any incentive, and as a participant will be as thanked for as there has give the times and the contributions and give the feedbacks. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon. Thank you so much guys.